For 30 years, you work a job and you hate to pay for a house that just sits there. You are a slave to your mortgage. But what if that was a lie? What if instead of you working for your house worked for you? I'm not teaching you to buy a house. I'm teaching you to hire your first employee, an employee that will help you fire your boss. First, the all-star employee, the duplex. You live in one unit, your tenant in the other pays your bills. It's like one hire, doing the work of two. Next, the hidden gem, a house with a big backyard. You scan for potential and build a cash flow machine from scratch. Finally, the team player. You take one room, your housemate's rent combines to become a mortgage-crushing superpower. So, how do you pay for this? You think you need 20% down. Forget what you've been told. Here is the cheat code, an FHA loan. You can hire your first employee for as little as 3.5% down. And the craziest part, the bank will count your future tenant's rent to help you qualify. It's a perfect, beautiful loop. Let's do the math. Your mortgage is $6,500. Your employee's revenue is $3,200. You see, this was never about a house. It's about a mindset. That's not just money. That's time. That's freedom. Are you ready to stop being an employee and start being a CEO? Your first step is recruiting. Text me to start the hunt.